I'm Lisa Bloom. I'm here today with my friend Mike Kessler from the great state of Florida. It's so great to have a chance to talk to
Hi,
you.
Lisa. Nice to see you again.
Tell me a little bit about your practice.
I have the biggest DUI practice on the east coast of Florida.
Wow. So, for example, what kinds of cases do you cover?
I handle serious cases. I handle cases where people are accused of driving while impaired and their jobs are in danger, their freedom's in danger, their reputation is in danger.
And we know that laws are getting tougher and tougher against drunk drivers. What motivates you to want to help people in this field?
Well, I'm glad you asked that. I used to handle more street crime, more what some would call serious crime, and yet I have learned that more people are wrongly accused of DUI than every other crime in the books, and those are the people that I really want to help.
If I've been arrested for DUI, how much hope do I have if I go to your firm that really something can be done to help me out?
I can help. And that's what I do. We are trained, we can defeat the so-called roadside sobriety tests, which are not tests at all, and we know how the machine works. And by the machine, I'm talking about the Intoxilizer 8000. I wanted to know how it worked. I went out and bought one. I've taken it apart, I've put it together, I've run tests on it. I know what it reads and says is alcohol that's not alcohol. We can beat that machine.
So that's the same machine that's used along the side of the road and that's used in court to try to convict people.
That's the only breath testing device that's used in Florida.
And so what are some of the problems with the machine?
Well, it's effective at estimating a person's breath alcohol level, but it's not precise. And the government wants people to think that it is precise. It has margin of error upon margin of error upon margin of error. Lisa, you'd be surprised. This machine can't even read the preset simulator solutions accurately.
Wow, really? So there's a lot of hope for people, in other words.
Absolutely. The worst thing a person in Florida can do when they're accused of DUI is run into court and plead guilty.
Because what are the consequences if they do that?
Well, for starters, it's a criminal conviction, and in Florida, it never comes off a person's record. There are always consequences with work. People lose their ability to drive, and in Florida, the public transportation is really limited to the big metropolitan areas, so people lose their jobs just because they can't get to work. And of course, being a criminal charge, there's a threat of jail.
Mike Kessler, it's so great to talk to you. Thank you.
Nice talking with you too. Thank you very much.